Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mirror dash cams available on the market. These devices offer a combination of safety, functionality, and cutting-edge technology to enhance your driving experience. If you're looking to invest in a mirror dash cam, you've come to the right place. You'll find product links in the description below. So let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the WOLFBOX 4K Mirror Dashcam. This model features a sleek, 12-inch full-screen touch display that is not only stylish, but also extremely user-friendly. With its 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, it delivers crisp, clear footage of your surroundings. The included 64GB memory card ensures you can start recording right out of the box. And loop recording automatically overwrites old footage when the card is full. What sets the WOLFBOX apart is its external GPS and built-in Wi-Fi. You can easily track your routes and speed, while the Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to download and share videos directly to your smartphone. It also features a G sensor to lock footage during a collision and a 24-hour parking monitor, though you'll need to purchase a separate hardwiring kit for that functionality. Installation is straightforward, and the dashcam is designed to integrate seamlessly into most vehicles. While the WOLFBOX excels in design and ease of use, it lacks some advanced features like voice control and blind spot detection, which you'll find in higher-ranked models. However, it's an excellent choice for those who need a reliable, high-quality dashcam with essential features at a reasonable price. Pros include its intuitive touchscreen, robust build, and solid video quality, while cons include the lack of advanced driving assistance features and a slightly higher price point for its feature set. At number 4, we have the WOLFBOX 4K rear-view mirror camera. This dashcam brings a unique twist with its support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it a smart choice for tech-savvy drivers. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is vibrant and responsive, allowing you to easily switch between split-screen views of the front and rear cameras. The 4K front lens and 1080p rear lens provide sharp, detailed footage, ensuring you capture everything happening on the road. One of the standout features is its voice control functionality. You can manage calls, navigate, or play music hands-free, which greatly enhances safety and convenience. It also offers multiple audio output options, including Bluetooth, aux, and an FM transmitter to integrate seamlessly with your car's stereo system. Additional features like loop recording, a G sensor for collision detection, and a 24-hour parking monitor round out the package. The pre-installed 64GB memory card ensures you're ready to go as soon as the camera is plugged in. While the WOLFBOX offers a lot of high-tech features, it lacks advanced safety systems such as blind spot detection and ADAS, found in similarly priced models. It's ideal for drivers who value smart connectivity and audio options, but don't require advanced driver assistance features. Pros include its Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, excellent display, and versatile audio outputs. Cons include the absence of advanced safety features and a slightly bulkier design compared to other models. Moving on to 3, we have the WOLFBOX G850 PRO. This dashcam stands out for its focus on safety, featuring an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, and blind spot detection, BSD. These technologies provide real-time alerts for lane departures, forward collisions, and nearby vehicles, making it an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers. The G850 PRO also delivers 4K front and 1080p rear video resolution, ensuring your footage is crystal clear. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen offers smooth navigation, and the upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures quick and seamless connectivity to the WOLFBOX app for video downloads and sharing. Voice control functionality allows you to operate the camera hands-free, and the included 64GB memory card means you're ready to record right out of the box. The camera's build quality is solid, and the system integrates well with most vehicles. While the G850 PRO is packed with safety features, it falls slightly short in low-light performance compared to other models. Additionally, its rear camera resolution is lower than its front camera, which may be a drawback for some users. Overall, the G850 Pro is perfect for drivers who prioritize safety and convenience. Pros include its ADAS and BSD features, excellent build quality, and user-friendly app integration. Cons include less impressive, low-light performance and a slightly higher price point. Coming in at number 2 is the WOLFBOX G900 PRO, a powerhouse mirror dashcam that offers superior video quality and advanced features. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear camera delivers an impressive 2.5K resolution. Equipped with a Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, making it one of the best options for nighttime driving. The 12-inch full IPS touchscreen is both large and responsive, allowing for easy navigation and adjustments. This model also features advanced voice control, so you can manage key functions without taking your hands off the wheel. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast video downloads and sharing via the WOLFBOX app, and the included 128GB memory card means you'll have plenty of storage for your footage. With its G-sensor, loop recording, and GPS tracking, the G900 Pro offers a comprehensive package for safety and convenience. However, the G900 Pro lacks some of the ADAS features found in the G850 Pro, such as lane departure warnings. It's also slightly bulkier, which might not suit all vehicles. This camera is ideal for drivers who prioritize video quality and low-light performance. Pros include its exceptional image clarity, robust storage capacity, and advanced sensor. While cons include the absence of ADAS features and a slightly higher price tag. Finally, at number 1, we have the WOLFBOX G930, which offers the perfect balance of performance, features, and value. The G930 delivers front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, making it ideal for capturing high-quality footage in various lighting conditions. The 10-inch touchscreen is compact yet functional, providing an excellent field of view without obstructing your windshield. The WDR technology ensures balanced exposure even in challenging lighting conditions like direct sunlight or nighttime. What makes the G930 a standout is its upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for fast and reliable video downloads via the WOLFBOX app. The built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, while the G-sensor locks footage during collisions. The included 64GB memory card is a thoughtful addition, and the system supports loop recording and 24-hour parking monitoring with a hardwiring kit. The G930 is also easy to install and integrates seamlessly into most vehicles. While it doesn't have the advanced ADAS or blind spot detection features of the G850 Pro, the G930's combination of performance, build quality, and user-friendly features make it a top choice. Pros include its compact design, excellent video quality, and reliable Wi-Fi connectivity. The only con is the absence of ADAS features, but at this price point, it's hard to beat. The G930 is perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable mirror dashcam with all the essential features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect mirror dashcam. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about the products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.